Good morning, students of class 12. Today I am going to show you the derivation of electric potential due to a point charge. You can see from the diagram a charge Q has been placed at O, and we are going to determine the electric potential at point P due to the charge Q placed at O. So from Coulomb's law, we know F vector equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Therefore, work done dW in displacing Q naught through R vector against this force is given by dW equal to F vector dot dr equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square R cap dr equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square 1 cos 180 degree dr. Now children, we know the value of cos 180 degree equal to -1. So it becomes equal to -1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square dr. So children, total work done to move Q naught from infinity to the point P is given by W equal to integration dW equal to -1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught integration lower limit infinity upper limit R dr by R square equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught 1 by R lower limit infinity upper limit R, which ultimately becomes equal to Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught R. So from definition, potential V at point P is given by V equal to W by Q naught equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. In SI system, V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, and in CGS system we have V equals to Q by R. So the derivation is complete. Alright students, now we are going to determine the potential of a charge conductor. First you have to draw the figure. If you don't draw the figure, you won't be able to understand anything. So let me tell you first that you have to draw the figure in your exercise copy and then do the derivation. It will be easier for you to understand. So potential at a distance r from the center O of the sphere where whole charge Q is supposed to be concentrated is given by V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. The potential on the surface of the sphere, that is where small r equal to capital R, the radius of the sphere, is given by Vs equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Now inside the sphere, that is for small r less than capital R, the electric field intensity is 0. So no work is done to take the charge from any point inside the sphere to a point on the surface, and hence no potential difference exists between such points. Children, you need to draw the graph in your exercise copy. Thus the potential at any point inside the sphere is given by V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, and the figure which is given shows the variation of potential due to a charged sphere at a distance r from the center of the sphere. Okay students, first you have to draw the figure and then we have to find out the relation between intensity and potential. Give the heading the relation between intensity and potential. Over here, intensity means electric field intensity. Please don't get confused. So let's begin. If a test charge Q naught be placed at A, see the figure, the force F vector acting on it is given by F vector equal to Q naught E vector along the direction of E vector. You must remember, students, that electric field intensity is a vector quantity. That is why I have given the vector sign on E. Okay, field intensity is a vector quantity. So work done to move the test charge from A to B is given by dW equal to F vector dot dr. Okay, so we see dot product. If you remember the vector which we have done in class 11, remember the first chapter we have done in class 11, vectors. So this is a dot product equal to Q naught E vector dot dr equal to Q naught E dr cos 180 degree. So we are applying the formula of dot product equal to minus Q naught E dr, because cos 180 degree equal to minus 1. So dW by Q naught becomes equal to minus E dr. That is equal to minus dV dr. Thus, electric field intensity is equal to the negative gradient of electric potential at that point. The negative sign indicates that electric field intensity is in the direction of decreasing potential. Students, always remember whatever I am giving as notes or dictating, please write it in your exercise copy. Thank you, students.